Smells so good. Hey guys, welcome back to Rose Reveals. My name is Rose and today's video is about the unboxing of my latest perfume, which is from BYREDO. It's Gypsy Water. But before that, I'm gonna show you my Amazon finds. These are the little trinkets that I find from Amazon. I just line up in here in my vanity. They're just so cute. Here's the telephone and the royal carriage. And also, you can open this here, like that, to put some small earrings or ring. But I'm not gonna put anything in there. They're just for display. Aren't they cute? Now back to my unboxing. I have a bonus unboxing today, which are also fragrance. It's just a travel size spray from Tom Ford. First, I have this one, Mandarino di Amalfi. This is one of their summer fragrance. Oh my gosh. There you go. There you go. The bottle is a very nice blue and it's glossy. And it's just named here Tom Ford, that's all. And it's a magnetic cup. And the name is in here, inside this spray here. Okay. The name, Mandarino di Amalfi, is in here. In the refill spray. And now let's try it. Wow, it's a very good scent. Okay, let's try it. Oops, not on the watch, just here. It's a fresh scent. Wow, I love it. It's fresh. It's like you're in the beach. I cannot explain how to explain this. It's just fresh. It's fresh, it's for summer, it's light, it's for everyday wear. But I don't think it lasts long, but it's okay. I can respray it anytime. And plus it's atomizer. I can put it in the bag, or this is good for travel. And my second bonus unboxing is also a travel spray fragrance from Tom Ford. And it's Soleil Blanc. This is also a summery fragrance. Oh my. Love travel spray. Love their atomizer. It's really a nice, oh wow, it's a nice white color. I love it. My favorite color. Oh, so good. Okay, let's try it. This one is also light. It's kind of summer. It's everyday, but it's more creamy and kind of vanilla creamy summer fragrance. And I love the atomizer. You can put it in the bag for instant retouch. It's good. They're both good. I love fragrance. And now let's go to my Gypsy Water. Oh, here. Here is the box. BYREDO. This is my first BYREDO fragrance. open it. Here you go. And some paper here. BYREDO Gypsy Water Eau de Parfum. It's also like a magnetic cup. Yes. Oh, they're both good, and they're all summery fragrance, light. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Okay, it's kind of musky and kind of vanilla. It's light, it's fresh. At first spray, it's kind of citrusy a little, but then it lingers on your skin and it goes to vanilla and musk. By the way, these are the close-up video of the fragrance that I unboxed today. And this is the Mandarino de Amalfi. Here's the name. And it's a very nice powder blue color. And this is a fresh scent. And this one is the Soleil Blanc. A very nice pearly white. And this is a creamy, powdery, fresh scent. And this is the Gypsy Water. This one is musky. These are all summer fragrance. Okay, I'm gonna spray it again so I can describe it well. Okay. It's really good. I love it. I love this Gypsy Water. It is light. It is something that will make a signature fragrance. It's for every day. You can use it at work, and it's not offensive. Although it's not something that fills the room when you walk in. It's just something that you catch it in little waves and makes people lean in. It's very nice for a signature fragrance. I already have a signature fragrance, but I think this one will be one of my signature fragrance. Okay, that's it guys for today. Please hit like, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share. This has been Rose, and this is Rose Reveals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.